The next arrival at platform 4 will be the 10:15 Hastings service. This train calls at Waterloo East, London Bridge, Orpington, Sevenoaks, Tunbridge, High Brooms, Tunbridge Wells, Frant, Wadhurst, Stonegate, Etchingham, Robertsbridge, Battle, Crowhurst, West St Leonard's Warrior Square and Hastings. 10:15 Hastings service, next departure from platform 4. Sorry once again for the late arrival and departure of this service. This has been caused by a low train proceeding train from the Tunbridge area. Sorry for the delay this has caused to your journeys. Platform 4 for the 10:15 Hastings service.